There are several distinguishing features of frogs that can help identify them. 1. Body shape. Frogs have a streamlined, teardrop-shaped body with long, powerful hind legs that are adapted for jumping and swimming. 2. Skin texture. Frogs have smooth, moist skin that is permeable to water and oxygen. 3. Eyes. Frogs have large, bulging eyes with a nictitating membrane that protects their eyes while they are underwater. 4. Ears. Frogs have an eardrum on each side of their head, which is visible as a circular patch behind the eye. 5. Vocal sacs. Male frogs have vocal sacs that they use to amplify their calls during mating season. 6. Webbed feet. Most species of frogs have webbed feet that help them swim and jump. 7. Coloration. Frogs come in a wide variety of colors and patterns, which can be used to identify different species. These are some of the key features of frogs that can be used to identify them.